The International Day for the Remembrance of the Slave Trade and its Abolition is observed annually on the 23rd August. This year's theme is Stories of Courage, Resistance to Slavery and Unity Against Racism. Remembering the transatlantic slave trade acknowledges stories of those who were ripped from their homelands and families. Stories of hard work on plantations, stories of those who fought against their oppressors, stories of those who triumphed against all odds to win their freedom. Today we remember the Beto Douglas case, a contribution to the fight to uphold and protect the human rights of enslaved Africans. Her tale illustrates resilience, survival, and struggle. Beto Douglas is nothing short of extraordinary and exemplary. This day is celebrated as the Anjolique Dance Company pays tribute to all those who fought for freedom and continue to educate the general public about their story and the values therein.